Could be. But I mean, I did see 2 people following you here, so... Wait. Okay, this room's empty too. Alright, we need to move on in order to get more stuff. I am woefully under-equipped. Got pistol. Enemy! Outside. He's right here. Needs to reload. Now, now. Awesome! I think he got bold, like he wanted to execute me. Amazing.
We're in a good position. Let's go to blue. Dead.